Hello, and welcome to Random Idea Moment, where I think of any idea I can possibly come up with and pitch it to you, the viewer. Now today's idea is a little different, but it has to do with getting from point A to point B. Everybody knows travel is horrible when there's traffic and no one's around to talk to because you're in the car alone. Well, I have a solution to this problem. Everybody knows that airplanes are a hassle because they cost a lot of money. It's a pain in the butt to get on them. Security is phenomenally ridiculous. Driving a car is no good either because it takes a lot longer to get anywhere because you can't go as fast. There's other people always in your way. And it's just overall not fun. It's miserable. So, I came up with an idea. An idea that will be fun, entertaining, and will not bore you to tears. All three is pretty much synonymous. The idea I came up with is the Catapult 428, where pretty much you have something like a catapult, and then you take you, the transportee, put you in the human bolt, and fire, launching you to your destination. Now this is a very good idea if it can be practically put into fruition, but most likely it won't. And realistically, I'll walk you through the problems I can foresee with shooting people very, very far distances. Is how do you catch them? You know, like you could put down random piles of pillows everywhere, but that might be a little unpleasing to the eye and also probably not very effective because people do bounce. So another problem would be mid-air collisions, because if this was actually plausible, people would be catapulting themselves every which direction, and that mid-air collisions could happen, and that would not go over well. Because one, you wouldn't get to your destination, which would be the worst thing ever, and then two, you might hit each other mid-air and fall down to your death. But that's menial. A good thing about it is that wherever you want to go, you just point it in that direction, you go in a straight line, which means you get there like 4 times faster. There's no turning in the air like a plane to try to land in one area, and then when you get to the airport, you have to drive like 4 hours to where your actual destination is. But the problem with that is that I'm pretty sure catapults don't have a distance dialer thing, because any distance you want to go can't be selected, and you can't go very far. So you could have a system of catapults timed properly, spaced throughout everywhere, but that might not also look very nice, just seeing catapults everywhere. So a bunch of catapults could catch you and throw you over and over and over again, but that probably won't work. But it has been a random idea moment. So that's today's random idea moment. Now I'd like you to tell me what you thought down in the comments section below. Go ahead and subscribe to me right up there, and say hi to little Mr. Mask Man. That's what we'll be calling him from now on. I was told by a friend.